Class 3 Mathematics. Hello my dear children. In the previous classes we learned about how to do subtraction process. Now we are going to learn how to check whether our subtraction process is correct or not. We are going to learn this with an example. 6847 minus 2524. Here 6847 is the minuend and 2524 is the subtrahend, and we have to find the difference. Let's find the difference. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Hundreds place 8 minus 5 is 3, and in the thousands place 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now we got the difference 4323. Now for checking the subtraction we have to add the difference to the subtrahend. Then our answer must be the minuend. If the answer is equal to the minuend, then our subtraction process is correct. Okay, let's add the difference to the subtrahend. 4323 plus 2524. From the ones column 3 plus 4 7, tens column 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, hundreds column 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, the last thousands digit 1 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now we can see that our answer is 6847, which is equal to the minuend. That means our subtraction process is correct. So for checking subtraction, we have to add the difference to the subtrahend. Then if you are getting the answer equal to the minuend, that means your answer is correct. Addition and subtraction together. Solve 5245 minus 4761 plus 2634. Here subtraction and addition are given together in one question. We have to follow some rules to do this. At first, arrange the numbers with positive sign together and negative sign together. Here 5245 and 2634 are the positive numbers. Then arrange the numbers having negative sign, that is 4761. Now in the second step, add the positive numbers. Here 5245 plus 2634, that is in ones column 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, the next digit 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, hundreds digit 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, and at the thousands place 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So our sum is 7879. Now in the next step we have to subtract the third number, that is 4761 from the sum of the first two numbers, that is 7879 minus 4761. So we can start the subtraction. 9 minus 1 8, in the tens column 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, hundreds column 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, And finally, the thousands place digit, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now we got the answer 3118. This is our final answer. Thus we can say that 5245 minus 4761 plus 2634 is equal to 3118. Word problems. Dear children, we already studied how to add and subtract numbers. Word problems help us to use addition and subtraction in practical life. Here I am giving one question from exercise 3.7. The students of a school planned for a tree planting event and they targeted for 2500 saplings. Till evening, they planted 2375 saplings. How many more saplings were to be planted? Here, we have to find the difference between the targeted number of saplings and the number of saplings they planted. How many plant saplings they targeted to plant? 2500. How many saplings they planted actually? 2375. For finding the number of saplings to be planted, we have to subtract 2375 from 2500. Let us start our subtraction process. In the ones column, we have to subtract 5 from 0. Here 0 is a smaller number, so we have to borrow 1 10 from tens column. But in the tens column, the minimum value is 0. Now we have to go to the next hundreds place digit. There are 5 hundreds, so we can take 100 from 500s and we can give it to the tens column. So the tens value changes into 10. And in the hundreds place, before there was 500s, now only 400s. Okay, now we can take 110 from 10 tens. So the ones column, 0 changes into 10. And in the tens column, the tens changes into 9 tens because 110 we already given to the ones column. Okay, now we can subtract 5 from 10. That is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. In the next tens column, 9 minus 7, 2. Hundreds column, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And finally in the thousands column, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now we got our answer. Number of saplings to be planted is how many? 125. So they have to plant 125 more saplings to reach their target. So dear children, today's class is over here. All of you learn and study this chapter well. Do the exercises up to 3.7. Thank you all. Bye.